According to a telegram from the Free Russian Legion, the Russian Volunteer Corps, which is battling Russian troops embedded with the Ukrainian army, has released video of armored vehicles entering the Gray Varansky district in Belgard. The video depicts the Corps members of the Corps entering Russian territory alongside the Legion's fighters. Additionally, the Belgard region's Channel Kozinka settlement has been freed. The region's governor, Vyacheslav Gladko, acknowledged that a reconnaissance team from the Ukrainian armed forces had entered the region's territory. Gladkov also claimed on his Telegram channel that a subversive intelligence group had entered the Gray Varansky district and that an operation was being carried out in the area by the Russian military in collaboration with border troops and the Federal Security Service.